Okay, this is the dairy compartment for 611, 632, and we're just going to change the seal here. It's pretty simple. Just presses in. You can see it's all discolored over here. So here's the new one. There's the part number. All you have to do is press it in. It's in like this. Now you could soak this in hot water to soften it up a little bit. But you don't have to. You could also take this off, take this apart, make it a little easier to get in there. To do that, just have to pop this off. It's a little disconfigured here, but it'll resume its shape once it's in there, and let it sit there for a while. But that's basically all it is. Okay, thank you for watching.